the Trackstar EasyFit washless motor connectors. These are available at HobbyKing. The link is in the video description down below. And with these connectors I can switch easily between different motors on my RC cars. So in my particular case I have 3 motors for 2 cars. So for my touring car I use a Vampire 17.5 turn motor, but I want to use also an LRP X20 stock spec 13.5 turn motor. For my off-road buggy, the X-Ray XB2, I will drive also in the modified class and in the stock class. For modified I will use my old but very good Nosram 8.5 turn motor, and for the stock class the LRP 13.5 turn motor. So I can switch in 2 cars with these 3 motors. So what's in the box? 4 small bags. These are the connectors that come on the motor. 2 different connectors for the ESC. Depends if you want to go straight in the motor from here, like this, or from the side. So these connectors are the 90-degree angled ones. And the 3 screws. So I prepared this already at this motor, and this is how it looks. They are just soldered on the motor mounts here, and now I have to solder the other connectors to the ESC. So the motor is mounted into the chassis, and the male connectors are mounted on the wire ends from the ESC. I took here 2 of the small connectors and 1 longer one, because this is the last one, and so it just sits a little bit to the side. Soldering these small parts to the wire is really a mess. This does not make any fun. Soldering in generally I think is for nobody a fun work, but when you have to solder these small parts together, it's even worse. So however, I hope they won't fall off, but I think it's okay. Now I have these small screws, and I put the connectors together. I need 1.5 millimeter screwdriver. It's Inbus, of course. So first screw inside, connector together, and the last one. So, ready. As I said, my solder work is not the best, but I hope this will work. And now I can switch the motors. So here's the other LRP motor. the stock motor, and now it's very easy to switch. On this Vampire Racing 17.5 ton motor, it was easier to solder these female connectors to it, because the solder plate is angled and you have a good surface here to solder these on it. At LRP motors you have this U-like plate where you have to put the connector inside. But however, here is it, and now I'm ready to hit the track.